Diet has a very profound effect on both male and female infertility. It's important basically because what we eat is what we are. So, a diet rich in saturated fats or oil or sugar, especially both in men and women, can lead to obesity. And obesity in turn leads to disruption of hormone balance in the body, which in turn can lead to reduced sperm production, and all these things complicating fertility issues. Whereas in women, a diet rich in sugar and oil can actually lead to obesity and cause a lot of issues with the hormone balance and leading to polycystic ovaries. These in turn actually have an effect on ovulation, that is egg production in women, which if hampered leads to abnormality in the menstrual pattern, leading to anovulation, that is lack of egg formation, and hence leading to reduced fertility in women. So it's very important that men and women consume a balanced diet. By balanced diet I mean a protein rich diet, making sure that they have adequate micronutrients in them, adequate antioxidants in them. All these things help having a smooth reproductive function. Having a perfect balanced diet for in men and women, which is rich in not only proteins and other micronutrients but also rich in antioxidants, will help fight the environmental pollution too. This in turn will help in the smooth function of the reproductive organs, which actually promotes optimum reproductive health in men and women. So it's also known now, research is emerging more and more about plant protein versus animal protein, and now it's known that plant protein, especially plant-based diet, is known to help fight autoimmune diseases too. Now, by autoimmune diseases, I mean there are a lot of problems in autoimmune diseases like rheumatoid arthritis, SLE, and things like that. And now currently also there's something called as premature ovarian failure. That means a condition wherein the egg reserve tends to be lesser in younger women. These conditions seem to be related to autoimmunity, and hence women sticking to a plant-based diet seems to be the best option for women. Similarly, in men, a plant-based diet can help them in enhancing not only nutrition but also adding more and more antioxidants in their body, which in turn will help in having appropriate sperm production.